All right, in this video we're going to show you how to replace your old stock wire saddlebag mounts that came with the models of 2016 and earlier Harley Davidson touring bikes with the newer mounts that have a screw and ratchet handle that come with the 2017 and newer touring bike models. So for a lot of years the wires were a real issue. People's saddlebags would fall off going down the roads. There's been a lot of recalls on the wire mounts, and so when Harley finally decided to do something about it, they did it in 2017. A lot of people though, before then, they'd put nuts and bolts to hold their saddlebags on. You can go to a hardware store and buy U-nuts with bolts and secure them on that way. But the new Harley Davidson saddlebag mounts are really nice. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is take the saddlebags off. These are the original bag mounts, and it's just a pin with a notch in it. I'm gonna show you how it was after we get this off. But let's go ahead and take the saddlebag off right now, and then we'll move forward and put the new ones on. To get these, the old mounts out, you take a screwdriver and you get it on the top. There is a little wire back there. Just put it on top of that wire. You just push up, and it'll kind of pop out for you like that. This is the little wire that I'm talking about, and this would break or it'd come off of the little rivets there and leave people's saddlebags flying down the road. And if you look at the way this went in, it would go in and you would twist it and it would just lock, and it was a pressure lock, so it would pull that clip backwards, and that's what would hold it on. All right, so here's the new system. You can see it's a threaded bolt with a handle, and of course you just thread it in. What's really cool is this is ratcheted, and when it gets to a certain torque, it'll just start spinning on you, and it'll lock it into place. Okay, so taking this with the nut side that goes in, you're gonna snap that right over the hole, and you do have to pull out a little bit. It's not too bad though. And it'll snap right in place. There it goes. There's one of them. Do the second one back here. Trying to keep my fingers out of the way. There we go. Okay, then we're going to take our handle and basically just screw it on there. And then when it gets to the point where it's tight, see it ratchets, so you can't over tighten it. Okay, now because I've got the saddlebag insert, I'm going to have to use a bigger washer. That's what helps hold it into place over here. So I just added the washer that came with my insert. And that's it. There you go. Saddlebag is on. Now that the bag's on, it's secure. I mean, it ain't going anywhere, and it does have a good look to it as well. If you don't use these and you get a bolt, the only thing I don't like about a bolt is you're gonna have to use a ratchet or an Allen wrench, whatever type of head that you get to take it off. Whereas, you know, with the handles, you can just unscrew it and it's a quick release. This is the box that it comes with. You do get this at Harley Davidson. Surprisingly enough, it was reasonable in price. It was $49.68. If you go get the hardware yourself at a hardware store, it's going to cost you anywhere from $15 to about $25, depending if you get chrome bolts and all that. I actually went and did it, and then I went up to Harley and found out this was only 50 bucks, so I took the hardware back and I got this instead because I like the application of it with the handle, so you can have quick removal. But anyway, it does come as a kit, and I hope that video will help you make a decision on removing those wire mounts. Also, be sure and subscribe to my channel if you could, and also visit my website at rideitwrenchit.com for more information and detailed write-ups on stuff that we do videos about.